welcome to F&S Yamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at FSYamaha.com, our YouTube channel, F&SYamaha.com, Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. Anyway, I just became an Excel boats dealer. Very proud of this. We've been in business for many years, but we're brand new to Excel. Our first load of boats just came, and this is one of the videos of one of the models that just came. It's a Tomahawk 183. It's an 18-foot, 3-inch pad hull boat, which I'll explain here in a minute what pad hull means. But Excel is a all welded together boat. They're one of the higher quality in the industry, the way they're put together and the way they're constructed. They're completely welded, including the floors are all completely one solid piece of all aluminum. No wood in the boats at all. They're really constructed well. This one I ordered with a .125 hull. They also offer a .160. In my opinion, I think the .125 in this particular pad hull design is a better choice. But I'll explain that here a little bit later. Upgraded to aluminum trailer with aluminum wheels. It's an easy track trailer. Lighted logo. That logo lights up at night. Kind of cool. Also upgraded to, instead of carpeted bunks, composite covered bunks in case you're going to brackish water or whatnot. LED lights. Yamaha SHO 90, which is the max horsepower for this boat. And as you see, it is custom matched color to the boat. That's something that Excel does, and I think it looks really cool. Man, I think that logo looks neat in that Yamaha logo, custom matched to the boat. And this color, bear with me as I'm terrible with colors. It's called Optifade Marsh Camo. It will include a stainless prop. It's included with our pricing. I just don't have it on here yet. It's a 94-inch beam on this boat. That's a wide 18-footer. See the steps back here for the dogs, one on each side. 17-gallon fuel tank built in. They're really put together. Take note to the size of those tie-down points. 4-inch Atlas hydraulic jack plate. This is a true pad hull design. What I mean by that, at the very bottom of the boat, there is a pad that's about 12 inches wide and about 2 feet long front to back. The idea is that when the boat's going fast, the only thing in the water is the pad. It makes it go faster, and it makes it ride better because not much of the boat is in the water. And then along with the aggressive steps and the reverse chines, they'll turn on a dime. Take note, there's actually 4 bunks on the trailer that hold the pad hull design. But going back to what I mentioned there earlier with a .125 hull, they also offer it in .160. But in a pad hull, I think it's really important to be up on the pad completely for the boat to perform the best. And with a .160, it won't get up on the pad near as well as a .125. So that's why I do it that way. That's why I order them this way. Sorry we're noisy here at F&S. I see the weld-on brackets for transducers. Cool little touches like the logo there for the Tomahawk. As you see, everything's blacked out, including like light bases and whatnot for the camo color. Big grab rails, which are solid structure welded onto the boat. Another upgrade I got with this one is the Triclops headlight. You see his big LED headlights with an aluminum shroud, which is super heavy duty. You can step on that shroud. Spud pole brackets for anchors are standard. It is pre-wired for a trolling motor, and I upgraded to 6-gauge trolling motor wiring, which is another upgrade. I do that with pretty well everything we order. But that's the weld-on bracket for the trolling motor. As you see, we got EVA flooring. It's called Aqua Traction throughout. jumping in, see the aqua traction flooring is everywhere, down in the cockpit, up on the decks. Like I said, this is a wide boat. Also upgraded to an aerated live well, and it's a 37 gallon. It is a big live well for an 18-footer. Take note to shock assist on the lids, even on the live well lid. Nav light switch up front, extra accessory switch up front for the lights, and a USB plug as well. So I also upgraded this to lights kit. So there are lights in the compartment, 3 on each side, and they're green. You see them there on the bottom to light up the floor at night. Floor base in the middle, and then also on the rear as well. 5-person capacity, 90 horsepower max. Cool little phone brackets that they have welded onto the boat, 1 on each side. See the jack plate switch there, and that's the switch for the lights kit I mentioned. Switches here on the back. Nav lights bilge, and it also is an auto bilge as well, which is standard. Aerator, courtesy lights, and then also the front live well is recirced as well. Mentioned 17-gallon fuel tank, which is back here. All these compartments are lockable as well. Again, take note of the lids and the shocks. Main on-off switch is standard. Shut the boat off. You can see the auto bilge down there in the bottom as well. Extra storage. It's cool to even have aqua traction down in that storage. Gun box / rod box on either side with spaghetti matting down there. That way it's not carpet, it dries quicker. And one on the other side as well. Same thing with spaghetti matting in the bottom. They do make it easy for us to access wiring and whatnot. See the screws with the panel there. Just little things like that, which are nice. There is T-rail railing on each side of the gunnel on both sides for rod holders or whatever you're going to put on there. Standard on this model. Even with the painting, every Excel Tomahawk comes standard with spray and liner. So this is similar to a truck bed liner, but it makes it very durable, and it also too keeps the temperature down from the touch because of that texture. It helps the boat be more quiet too as they're banging through rough waves. But then when you get the motor custom matched, then it's not just the same color paint, but it's a spray and liner on the hood as well. Pretty cool. If you're not familiar with us, we're privately owned here in Hanover, Pennsylvania. I mean, my grandpa started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. My dad is a current owner. I've been here over 30 years myself. But we're all about service. Every boat that we sell, we go through very thoroughly. Not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry. There's things to fix and improve upon when it comes from the factories. And the good dealers will take their time to do that. And then we also water test every single boat that we sell, because there's certain things that can only be tested in the water. And we'd also be glad to go with you to the water as well. We do a lot of that. Show you how to use your boat on the water, and customers from all over the nation that buy from us. And whether you're picking up here at F&S or we're meeting somewhere, I'll try to meet at a waterway. That way you can show you how to use your boat on the water. We do a lot of custom riggings. You see other YouTube videos on our YouTube channel, completed customer boats for electronics, shallow water anchors, lithium batteries, of course trolling motors, you name it. We stock most of the popular MinnKota, Garmin, power pole. We stock it all, and we do a lot of custom installs. It's just part of what we do here. You'll see the completed customer boats. I do that because there's a lot of customers from all over the nation that buy from us, and we try to show them a video when we're done, just to make sure everything is what they expected it to be. Bear with me here as I go through the list to make sure I'm not missing anything with this boat. I don't think I did, but now we welcome special orders as well. We're just new, like I said, to Excel, but we're going to try stocking some units. But you'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. And check us out at our website, FSYamaha.com. Did a quick lap around our lot. We saw a lot of express boats as well. Bass, bay boats, duck boats, smoker craft V-bottoms, Bennington pontoons, a lot of used boats. You'll see pretty well everything on our YouTube channel as well. Every boat that comes in, we do a video of. That way, whether it's new or used. I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us, and you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact us. We are new to Excel, but we will learn very quickly. You'll see that we're very technical minded people, and we're going to have, once we get to run these, we'll have even more information, and hopefully I'll be able to answer all your questions. But thanks for watching. Have a good day.